Hi, my name's Gabrielle and I've been testing the Ickle Bubba Globe Stroller for MadeForMums with my 4-month-old baby and 3-year-old toddler. You pull the hood back towards the handlebars, then reach down just behind the hood and locate the buttons either side of the handlebar. Once you hear them click, you fold the handlebar down, reach down, there's a bar underneath the stroller, you pull up and collapse the stroller in towards you, taking care to move the fabric out of the way, and the safety catch goes on like that, and then it's freestanding. The first thing you do is pull up the handle until you hear it click into place like that. Then you reach down and release the safety catch, which is on the left hand side of the buggy, and then finally pull out the stroller until you hear the frame click into place and you're good to go. For me, one of the best things was how lightweight the stroller feels. It was easily light enough to fold down, carry over my shoulder with the very handy travel strap that can stay attached to the buggy even while you're using it. The second thing that I liked about the Globe was this pocket at the back of the hood. On holiday it came in really useful as a great way to stash essentials such as suntan lotion, hotel room key and sunglasses or mobile phone when out and about. The other thing that I liked about the hood is that when the seat is in recline position, you can fold up the fabrics, pull them back, and the buggy stays really cooled and well ventilated for your little one while he or she sleeps. Now I'm going to talk about a few things about the Globe that I wasn't so keen on. The first and perhaps biggest thing for me was that the seat is forward facing only. With a little baby, I much prefer to be able to see my daughter's face while I'm pushing, so I would much prefer to have a seat that can be reversed, so world facing and parent facing. The other thing that I really wasn't keen on was the brake pedal. The brakes themselves are very good, but the brake pedal is quite narrow, quite flimsy, and not so easy to adjust when you're wearing flip-flops, which you might well be on holiday given that this is a travel buggy. The only other thing about the Globe I wasn't so keen on was the storage basket. Although it can handle a fair bit of weight, it's not very easily accessible, particularly when you have an older child who's sat up in the buggy and whose legs come down in front of the storage basket. We hope you found this video helpful. To read my full review of the Ickle Bubba Globe travel stroller and for lots more product parenting reviews and advice and guides on the best parenting products out there, please see MadeForMums.com.